I think one of the biggest ones is that egg yolks are bad, that they have only cholesterol and nothing else. But in fact, egg yolks have a lot of vitamin D, iron, other good nutrients that support an athlete. Yeah, so with the team right now, since it's a long season, it's important that we just stick to the basics and get those covered. So, which means good quality proteins at every meal, good quality carbohydrates, enough of fruits and vegetables to give them that variety. And these are the basic things that we've got to keep in mind and provide it to the athletes at all their meal times. Yeah, so definitely some carbohydrates, right? At least an hour or two before a practice game or a match, and hydration, right? Because we're playing in cities that are humid, they're hot, so hydration is something that they definitely have to take care of before that. And then, during the match, I think just some top-up snacks, fluid again, and after the match, always protein and some carbs. So yeah, definitely. So I think proteins, like including good quality proteins at every meal, really helps with strength, with recovery, all of that. And avoid eating very refined and simple carbohydrates, right? So anything white, minimize that, and definitely get enough of colors in your diet, because that's what's going to keep you really lively, energetic, and going. Yeah, so as and when the players come in, usually have like a first time chat with them to understand their needs. And the hotels that we stay in are extra accommodative to whatever little customization we have to do for them. And so the athletes here are well taken care of, so they get whatever they need. And while they come for practice, then we also put in those customizations or certain requirements in their meal boxes. So all the boxes are ticked, and yeah, we provide them variety, right? Whatever they miss out on is available here, and we can cater to those needs. So one is some electrolyte drinks, because conditions are very hot and humid, so they definitely sweat a lot more, and those electrolytes benefit them. So during training, that's something that's commonly used. And after a training session, whatever the athlete's requirement is, or whatever they like, really, it could be a protein bar, or it could be a protein powder. So that's just to recover and refuel their muscles again. And apart from that, it could be some players just like that caffeine boost, maybe during a match or before they start. So these are ones that are commonly used. I think one of the biggest ones is that egg yolks are bad, that they have only cholesterol and nothing else. But in fact, egg yolks have a lot of vitamin D, iron, other good nutrients that support an athlete. And so instead of discarding them, right, always like include them in your diet, and that's really helpful. So apart from this, most of the athletes tend to go gluten free, right? But it's not always necessary. And eating like rice is not really harmful all the time. You just need to be smart about when you're going to eat it and the quantity. So that's these are like two things that I really find are common misconceptions among athletes. Yeah. Well, yeah, I think very heavily or deep fried foods. And not that you can't really eat them, but if they're eaten too often, I think that's where the problem lies. Or if you're eating just too much sugar and sugar all the time, whether it's in your teas, your coffees, your drinks, or just any other beverages you use, and also like a lot of cereals. So both these, like refined sugars and fats, they contribute to inflammation in the body. And so I think as much as we can minimize this, and then everyone's good.